In this video, I'll demonstrate to you all the features of the Uppababy Cruz V2. So first we have the adjustable handlebar that you just need to press on this gray button over here to adjust it. It has 3 levels. Then we have the canopy that can fully retract simply by pushing it. Then we also have an opening here for more ventilation. And the canopy extends thanks to this zipper. You just have to open it completely from the right side. And by pushing it, the canopy goes down quite a lot more. By doing this, we also have additional ventilation over here. The handlebar of the seat is easily removable. You see there's a gray button over here. All you have to do is to press on it and it will open this way, which gives a much easier access. There's another button on the other side if you want to remove it completely. The seat straps are highly adjustable with these plastic clips here, even the middle one. You can adjust the footrest by pressing the buttons that are on each side to place it at the perfect position. You can easily switch the position of the seat if you want to be forward facing or backwards facing simply by pushing those latches on each side, taking the seat, turning it around and clipping it back into the frame like this. To adjust the angle of the seat, there is this button on the back. You just have to press it and swing it in the direction you prefer. If you want a more flatter angle, or it even goes down to here, or an upper position. To activate the rear brakes of the stroller, you just press the red pedal. And when you're ready to roll, you just have to press the green pedal. You can also lock the front wheels from spinning. Each of them has a gray button on the top with a green indicator. When you press on it, the green indicator goes away and the wheels locks into this position. It won't move anymore. You can fold this stroller in just a few seconds. So the first step is to pull back this canopy all the way in. Then you need to make sure that the handlebar is pushed all the way in. So if it's like this, press the button and push it like that. Then on the frame, there's these 2 plastic pieces on both sides. You need to pull them back towards you, both at the same time, and push the frame towards the ground, like that. Then the stroller will stand on itself. To make it even more compact, you can retract the footrest by pressing these buttons on each side and bring it in this angle. You can then lift the whole stroller using the front handlebar and put it inside of your car. The wheels of the stroller are still spinning if you didn't apply the brake, so you can also glide it this way. Now, when the time comes to unfold your stroller, it's even easier to put it back together. There's a small plastic piece sticking out here of the frame. You just need to push it on it. It will unclip the whole stroller, and simply by lifting it, everything will click back in place. Now you can just put back the canopy, also adjust the footrest. You need to press on both sides like that. You can also adjust your handlebar and you're good to go. So this was my demonstration of all the features of the Uppababy Cruz V2. It also comes with a rain shield and a bug shield in the box, which is very practical. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you want. Also leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.